Hello guys, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW in Charlestown. My name is Killian and today I'm going to be showing you our 2022 BMW 530e M Sport Pro Touring. So this is a 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid and it's finished in our lovely carbon black. We have a lovely spec here today guys. I'm going to talk you through a few different interior and exterior options for the vehicle. Most notably this is going to be our M Sport Pro, so it's going to give us the full Shadowline exterior along with the full M Sport package. This will include our red caliper M Sport brakes, M Sport suspension, and then we're going to have our lovely diamond cut alloy 19-inch wheels for the vehicle as well. As for the Shadowline, we're going to have a full blacked out look coming across our kidney grills, and onto the adaptive LED headlights as well. We have the black trim coming around. It's going to follow across along the roof, and as we come across now to the boot of the car, we're going to see that we have plenty of space in the back of the vehicle. As can be shown, we've got plenty of space in the back of course, as well as this having loads of space under. We also then are going to have our extended storage, so you can keep your charging cables or anything else you need to keep in the car just below here. Automatic closing tailgate of course for the car. And making our way now to the interior, we're going to have a lovely oyster cream leather interior for the vehicle. Along with this, going to have our high wood grain finish coming across the dash, and then the black piano finish as well on the transmission. Sitting in, first things first, we're going to turn on the vehicle. As we do so, we're going to see an infotainment screen as well as an instrument cluster display screen. We will of course have with the car all of our media controls, as well as telephone and communication controls, as well as having an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Getting into the reversing gear, we're going to have our reversing camera, ultrasonic parking sensors on the front and rear, and then we'll have our park assist and reversing assistant. And as for the steering wheel, we're going to have our M Sport sports automatic transmission paddle shifters, cruise control on the left hand side, and then some more media functions on the right hand side. We do have our Harman Kardon sound system equipped to this car as well, along with fully automatic windows and our folding mirrors as well for the car. As well, we're going to have our dual climate control zone in the vehicle, giving us all of our temperature and ventilation controls, as well as the 2 front heated seats. And then we do have a lovely Skyline panoramic sunglass. Really lovely touch, so fully open. Let's make sure no rain gets to the top of course. And as for the back seats, we're going to have plenty of space in the back of course, along with our M Sport Pro stitching on the seat belts, ISOFIX child seating support system. We also have extra storage below glove compartment and extra in the sides of the car as well. Now we will have our ambient lighting, giving us LED lighting coming across all of the door cards, and it will stretch onto the dash of the car as well. So this is the car we have here for you guys today. It is available to purchase at Joe Duffy BMW and across our various car selling websites. And every BMW approved and used car that we sell is going to come with a 2-year warranty on the vehicle. And if you guys have any further queries or you'd like to book a test drive, you can contact myself directly at killiandaly@joeduffy.ie. I'll look at us and come into it. That's going to be all guys. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you all have an amazing day. Bye bye.